Okay, hello Robert. I do this so often, I might as well start by saying welcome back to my channel. But well, let's begin. We basically have our temperature sensor right here, connected to both ground and voltage. We also connected our Arduino to ground and voltage. And basically what happens is the temperature sensor sends its signal to analog input A5. The Arduino runs the code and then throws the output through digital pin number 8, which goes through a pretty big resistance, 1.5 kilo ohms, right to the transistor, which is also connected. Well, it goes to the base of the transistor, which is connected to ground through the emitter. And then the collector sends the signal to our motor, which will be connected to our external power supply. The code is right here, and it's pretty straightforward. We had a couple of issues because we didn't declare variables as float in the beginning. We used int, but now it's up and running. So as usual, what we do is we convert the analog read to real voltage, and then we use the temperature equation or formula that we had already used before to get our real temperature, and then through a simple if we turn on or off the fan or the motor. So we can start right here. So as you can see, the fan is off at 24.78 degrees, and then it goes on when we go past that temperature.